This is a Kubota ZD326 with a ZD Pro 60 commercial deck. And today I'm going to show you how we changed gearbox oil. It's probably a little different than what some of you have seen or done, but let's get started. Here's the gearbox. This is the fill plug on the top, and the bottom is the drain plug. And notice what's directly under the drain plug, the belt. So first thing we're going to do is leave the drain plugs in, the fill and drain plug, and the filler plug. The filler plug is on top. I'll show you that. I missed that before. What I'm doing is popping the top, which has a really nice seal around it. Don't dig in too far with this screwdriver. You can see down inside the gearbox. I'm using a fluid extractor from AMSOIL. It's $15.75 if you're a preferred customer. And the cool part about doing this is you can actually get down to the very bottom. Okay, next step, make sure you keep this clean. You're going to leave the top off and remove the top filler plug. It's a 12mm wrench. Already loosened it. Okay, I use this is what I tend to favor. It's AMSOIL Severe Gear 75-110. The spec calls for, I think, 80-90 or 75-90. But this certainly, for a little extra protection, won't hurt. And then keep your, we're going to fill it until it runs out. Go slow. Okay, there it is. Okay, get that on tight. Keep your paper towel down there to minimize the snug up that bolt. Don't over tighten it. And then RCK 60P-331Z. Put it back in place. Basically, you just and that's it. Hope you guys found that useful or helpful, and we'll see you soon. That's about it.